This PC and operating system has been damaged, so I'm going to reinstall Windows 10 operating system here without losing my personal file. Now, first of all, insert your bootable pen drive. I start my PC pressing power button and then press the F2 key to go BIOS screen. For the BIOS setting, it depends on manufacturer's companies of your laptop. So this is my Samsung laptop. I'm going to reinstall through this bootable pen drive. So you have to make first boot this pen drive and go to boot device priority. Number 3, USB HDD. It's my bootable pen drive. So I press F6. Yes, my first boot is pen drive and second is my HDD. After doing it, you have to shift this setting. For that, press F10 key and then save it. Press Enter. Press any key, F1 to continue. Choose the options. It's my bootable pen drive, so I choose this one. Press Enter keys. Yes, in this bootable pen drive, I have Windows 10, Windows 11, so I'm going to install here Windows 10 64-bit operating systems. So I choose these options and press Enter keys. Choose the language, time and currency formats. So click Next, and then click Install buttons. Put a tick mark in the I accept license terms options and then click Next. Okay. And here is the two important options. This first one is connecting from internet. I'm going to install from the pen drive, so I choose the second options. So I click here. It's an important part in this time. So now I just want to format and install in this text. So I click here and then click Format. Again, click OK. The process has been completed. This partition has been made new because here is my all the free space you can see here. So select it and go to Next. Yes, my installation process has been started. And this process takes a little time. This PC is restarting. Okay. Now choose the regions. I am from Nepal, so I choose Nepal and then click Yes. This is the right keyboard layout. Yes, I use English keyboards, so I choose this. Yes. I want to add the second keyboard layout. So I don't want to add, so I click Escapes now. Let's connect to the network. Now I don't want to connect, so skip now. That is more to discover when you connect to the internet, and continue with the limit setups. And if you want to connect, this will be processed completely. So I don't want to continue, so continue with the limit setups. How it's going to use this PC? It's important. You have to give your PC name. I just type Simon and then click Next. I don't want to keep password, so I just click Next. Choose the privacy setting for your device. I accept all these options, so click I accept. This might take a several minutes. Don't turn off PCs. This time we have to wait here. Yes, the process has been completed. I show you my personal file. For that, I search here theme, then themes, desktop icon settings, and show you computer network control panels. And apply and OK, and want to close it. I saw this PC. Yes, you can see here, this is my local disk C, where I just install Windows 10. This is my EF drive, which is 70 GB. I show you, yeah, all my files here. In this way, we can reinstall our PC. After complete the process, go to BIOS again and set your boot priorities. So I want to click restart, and then go to F2 to go to BIOS screen, go to boot sequence and go to boot device priorities and make your hard disk first boot after install operating systems. So I press F6 and make this DVD drive second boot. So I press again F6. To save the setting, press F10 keys, hit enter buttons.